I'm Tom from Do-It-Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at unboxing the Temtop P10 air quality monitor. So this is an air quality monitor you can use to look at the air quality in your home, especially if you're in an area in California or another place with wildfire smoke. So let's go ahead. I'm going to take the wrapping off of this, and we will check it out. Okay, I got the plastic wrap off there. The box has this weird sort of textured feel to it. I'm not sure why. I'm going to go ahead and open this up. Okay, and here we go. So this is what the monitor looks like. It's got a little cover on here. Do not cover the air inlet outlet while in use. Do not let fluff or hair enter the detector. I guess that's the technical term, fluff or hair. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up, take this out. So here's the actual device. You can see it's wrapped in that protective plastic. Let's try to get this in focus. It's not focusing that great, but you've got a screen on the front. It's a little bit bigger than I thought. You know, when I look at it online, it looks like it's going to be like a little clock or something, but it's actually, you can see relative to my hand, it's pretty substantial. You've got the inlets on the back. It looks like there's a USB port under there. Let's take this wrapping off. Okay, there it is. You can see my reflection a little bit in it. It's nice and kind of shiny design. Yeah, you can see the USB on the back there for power. The inlet for the air and the sensing components inside, and then this will be a screen that'll show my particulate concentration inside my house. I'm not sure what the button on the top does. We'll have to look into that, but there's the device. Now let's see what else is in here. We've got a little manual, and then we've got the USB cable in here. I don't know if they give you a power brick. Let's look under here. Nope. So yeah, I just kind of tore this out. There's no power brick under there. That's kind of an annoying trend I've noticed recently, where companies give you a USB cable and they just assume that you have your own power brick for it, but you know, yeah, you probably do. I think they could include one. But in any event, there we go, a little manual. Here's the device and power cable. We'll plug it in and check it out. I'm going to be reviewing this and other wildfire tech in debugger.medium.com, the new publication debugger on Medium. I'll also be covering it extensively here on my channel. So please subscribe or follow me there at Medium to hear more of my reviews and see more about this Temtop P10 air quality monitor.